Look at all these entitled drivers attempting to skip traffic by driving on the shoulder. But one driver in particular is going to get instant karma. This driver in the Toyota SUV repeatedly tries to use the shoulder to get around the filming truck. But you can see that the shoulder is getting narrower as it's coming to an end. The SUV driver doesn't care and keeps trying to push his way through as the trucker doesn't let him in. As you're about to see, this angers the driver quite a lot. The driver finally manages to get in front of the truck, but he's angry and wants the trucker to know. He stupidly slams on the brakes and gets his vehicle hit by the truck. The guy gets out of his SUV in the middle of traffic without even bothering to pull over, and then acts like it's the trucker's fault. He plays the victim and starts acting like a huge fool. Studies show that about 52% of semi-trucks have dash cams, and it's because of situations like this. There are way too many idiots on the road to not use a dash cam. The trucker then gets out of his truck, and the SUV driver starts arguing with him. The road-raging man wants the trucker to pay for his broken taillight, but the trucker, of course, isn't worried. The dash cam saved him from being found at fault, and the road rager got to go home a sore loser. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Don't mess with semi-trucks, and don't eat yellow snow.